Hi guys, and welcome back to my workshop. So for today I'll be talking about basic safety wear, safety gear. First up, you're gonna want to protect your eyes, so safety goggles are important. Secondly, you wouldn't want to breathe in the dust particles or any of the wood chips, so a face mask is also important. Third, you're gonna protect your hands. The gloves I use are partly rubberized, so it helps me get a grip on all the power tools I use. Next, you're gonna want to protect your legs and your feet. I don't have construction boots, but my thick skater shoes work well enough. I also use earmuffs. These are really important, especially when using power tools and heavy machinery. And it's a whole different set when welding. But that's it for today, so thanks for watching. I'll see you around. Hey guys, and welcome to my workshop. Today I'll be talking about one of the most versatile tools, the angle grinder. You can use this to cut metal, grind metal, cut tile, and to sand surfaces. It even has a chainsaw attachment. To change the disc, use the metal lever that comes with it to loosen the locking bearing. After changing the discs, don't forget to lock it really tight for your safety. The grinder also has a handle attachment so that you can grip it easily and have a more controlled cut. This tool is an essential for any workshop. Don't forget to follow for more construction tips. See ya! Hey guys, and welcome back to my workshop. So for my first video, I actually forgot something really important. And I really want to thank the people who were watching, and I'm sorry I forgot this. It's actually the guard. The guard to the angle grinder. This one keeps the sparks and bits of the disc from flying onto your face and other parts of your body. So for now, I'm going to show you how to reattach this guard onto the angle grinder, and I'll also show you the rig which turns the angle grinder into a chop saw. First, you're going to remove the bearing and the disc. Then check the guard because there are marks which indicate where to insert. Adjust it around a bit so that the guard sits properly. Then get the Allen wrench or the hex key to tighten the guard onto the grinder properly. Put the disc and the bearing back on and screw on tightly, and you're good to go. Check part 2 for the rig that turns the angle grinder into a chop saw. Hi guys, and welcome back to my workshop. So this is the rig that turns the angle grinder into a chop saw. This is also the reason why I don't have a guard on my angle grinder. It's because this has its own guard. Attaching the angle grinder is pretty easy. There are existing bolts and nuts, and you just have to screw that on. But make sure it's there tight so that the angle of the grinder doesn't change while you're cutting the metal. After attaching the grinder, you're gonna screw the guard tight so that it's fixed and doesn't move too much. And there you have it. Don't forget to like and follow for more workshop tips.